Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just want to do a quick update on the 428 and the rat rod and let you all know what's going on. It's hanging from the cherry picker, so what's that tell you? Engine plate on, flex plate on, torqued, red Loctite on the bolts. Fuel pump, water pump, distributor set and timed. Carb spacers on the intake. We're going to get this sucker stabbed this afternoon. It's going to be sitting in the car. I wanted to have it in last night, but well, that son of a gun decided to pitch its chain. You might not be able to tell from the video, but that's about 16 feet in the air, so I've been screwing with that stupid thing all morning. Got it fixed. And now back to the good stuff. So, next video, it's going to be in the car. We're going to start hooking things up. And I'm thinking tomorrow night live, we'll fire it up. Stay tuned, everybody. See you later.